Okay, the bike sat overnight. I don't see any, basically it came up clean. I'm going to start it again this morning, and then I'm going to put it aside because I got the brake shoes I've been waiting for on this yellow bike. So I'm going to start the bike, let it run for a while, and then put it over here in the parking area, and then go back to work on the front wheel of the yellow bike. This is a cold start because it hadn't been run since yesterday. Let's see if it blows smoke out of that right-hand cylinder again. That was a surprise. It had never done that before. Let's see if it does it today. If it does, we'll ride the bike some more, get some more miles on those rings and valves. I mean, there's 100 really good reasons for one cylinder smoking, starting with valve guides leaking, valves sticky, valve cap seal coming off. The rings might have frozen in that cylinder. The cylinder might be scored. The piston has cracked and turned into small little bitty pieces. The crankshaft has wrapped itself around the camshaft because they're in love. All kinds of really neat reasons for smoking. Now, if it continues, we'll get some more miles on this bike and give all those parts I just mentioned the opportunity to wear in, seal in, settle in. And if that doesn't cure the problem, then we'll yank the top end off the top of the bike again, take a look, see. We can theorize all day long, but frankly, if the problem doesn't go away, it will be a matter of taking it apart and taking a look, and then we'll find out for sure. So anyway, I'm going to go over and start this bike and see what happens, and then put it aside for the day. Okay, yesterday it didn't start until I put the choke on. I'm going to try to start it without the choke and see how it goes. I'll give it 2 or 3 or 4 kicks without the choke, and then we'll try it with choke and see what happens. right, that was with no choke. I think it took 4 kicks, maybe 5. I found out that it likes about a quarter throttle to start. So maybe I should remember that and use the quarter throttle and see if it'll start faster. It does have a single Mikuni on it, so it's got a choke. I used it yesterday, did not use it today. Idling beautifully. It is puffing a little bit of smoke out of that left pipe. I'm going to chalk that up to rings not yet completely seated until something catastrophic happens, at which time we'll go in and take a look. In the meantime, I'm going to put it aside. I'll let it run a little bit longer here, see if we can generate any loose oil, and then I'll put it aside and start working on the yellow bike. Alright, that's idled long enough. I'm just going to turn it off now and put it aside.